I'm Rena from Rena.ca, and this is how to clean wrought iron furniture. Sometimes we have wrought iron furniture outside, and sometimes we have it in the house. When it's outside, it's easy to spray down with a hose, but when it's in the house, well, the easiest thing to do is fill a container with water, add some dish soap, and then just sponge it to clean it, wiping down all the different areas. Once you've cleaned the entire unit, then take a cloth and dry it off. Now, sometimes it's really hard to get parts of the wrought iron clean. You'll have something stuck on. In this case, you may need to switch to an abrasive pad of some kind. Now, I'm using a scrubby pad, and what I would do is I would just very gently scrub anything that I'm having a hard time getting off. When it comes to steel wool pads, sometimes you use them and then they rust and fall apart over the next few days. Well, if you're doing a big cleaning project for wrought iron furniture, then store your abrasive pad in a container lined with aluminum foil. Put it inside, and that way they won't rust up or fall apart, and you're ready to use them once again. For really stubborn rust on wrought iron, spray the area with a lubricant such as WD-40. You'll definitely want to ventilate the area before you spray it on. Spray it on, leave it for 10 minutes, wipe it off, and that's all you have to do. And that's how you clean wrought iron furniture. I'm Rena from Rena.ca.